Looking for a powerful framework to build scalable and maintainable server-side applications? Let's dive into NestJS. Today I'll give you a quick overview of NestJS, a modern Node.js framework for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side applications. So, what is NestJS? NestJS is a progressive Node.js framework built with TypeScript that helps developers create enterprise-grade applications with ease. It leverages the power of decorators and dependency injection to make development more intuitive and maintainable. NestJS comes packed with some fantastic features. It fully supports TypeScript for rock-solid type safety. It uses a modular architecture to organize code into reusable modules, making your projects more structured. Dependency injection is a breeze, promoting loose coupling and easier testing. And it has built-in support for unit and integration tests, so you can catch bugs early. Why should you use NestJS? For one, it's highly scalable. NestJS's modular system allows you to easily scale your application by dividing it into manageable modules. This flexibility means your application can grow without becoming a tangled mess. Maintaining your code quality is also a key advantage. With clear separation of concerns and powerful abstractions, keeping your codebase clean and maintainable becomes straightforward and efficient. Plus, NestJS boasts a vibrant community and an extensive ecosystem. Whether you're working with GraphQL, WebSockets, or other technologies, you're covered. Now, let's take a quick look at some code. Here's a snippet showing how to define a basic controller in NestJS. This simple controller responds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Comment below if you have questions about NestJS or other frameworks you'd like to learn about. Check out the links in the description for official NestJS documentation and a link to a comprehensive tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy coding!